Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to my new humble home. I'm actually standing in my pool right now. My non-existent pool. It's gonna be right here one day. This is my backyard. Guys, our new house is almost done. It's gonna be done like beginning of October. And it's coming along, it's looking great, but man, is it hard to not be so anxious, like we just wanna move in. Look at this door, guys. I didn't even know this opened like this. I kind of forgot. It's been so long. I can open my door all the way and create this massive opening. Isn't that crazy? So right now we're walking into my living room. Over here is gonna be the kitchen. And then over here to the left is gonna be the dining room right there. And then over here to my other left, we can walk towards the master bedroom. Check it out. Oh yeah, we're gonna be sleeping in here one day, hopefully soon. And then we have the master bath right off to the sand. Look, it's already pre-filled, ready for a little tub action. Look at that. Oh yeah, Florida dirt. And then this is, we got two sinks. So this is gonna be Erica's big sink because she has a lot of crap. And then my tiny sink is gonna be over here. There's a shower obviously going there. And then over here, oh, that's the toilet. Where's my closet? Oh, this is my closet. Okay, so the way this is gonna work, so that's cool, guys, check this out. They pre-install like all these things so that you can run all your wires for your TVs and stuff, which is really cool. So coming out of the bedroom, this is actually gonna be my closet right here. So I actually have some decent space this time. I get to have this whole closet to myself because you guys will see Erica's closet. It's friggin' enormous, but I get this whole space to myself. Then we have this really cool feature, right, where this is like a bathroom that leads to outside, like right to the patio. So you go through this door. So it's like the pool bathroom. That way, as people, if we have company or whatever, if they're going in the pool, instead of going in and out of the house, they can just go in through this door, and then what they can do is use the bathroom there, come right back out, so it's pretty cool. And we're already pre-wired for like, you know, surround sound, audio, TVs. We're gonna eventually have like a gas grill over here, all kinds of stuff. And we're actually already pre-wired so we can put surround sound around the pool in the backyard as well. So lots of really cool features. This door is so freaking cool, right? So I'm gonna close it. Look, it like, oh, there we go. It like pulls on itself, look at that. This is so crazy. Well, I'm gonna get inside the house. Look at that. That is so awesome. I never thought I would have a house where the friggin' door to the pool opens up like 20 feet. So friggin' nuts, I love it. So while we're down here, if we kind of look up, so this room up here, we'll go up there in a second. That's gonna be Erica's closet. We have a nice balcony again. Erica and I really like having a balcony to look over into the living room. And then over here, so again, this is our kitchen. This room, this is gonna be the entrance to like a butler's pantry over here, or whatever it's called, butler's bar. And this is gonna be the actual pantry. We're finally gonna have a house with an actual pantry. And then this is where things get confusing, okay? So from this point on, I can do whatever I want. So this room, the adjacent room, and then the garage is basically, I'm gonna have to figure out how to turn all of this into my home gym. So I have lots of space to work with, but figuring it out is gonna be another story. I'm gonna have to hire, you know, a framer to come in here and tear these walls down. One thing that sucks is this lip right here. I mean, you have to do it because it is a garage, but it's gonna kind of impede on my floor space. I wish it was completely flat. But this wall right here, like we have to figure out, like I have to basically keep this stud right here, this stud right here, and I have to keep this stud, but I can remove everything else, and then we have to frame it because that's like a support beam right there. And if we take that out, my house will fall on itself. and we don't want that to happen. So like for me, I'm gonna be honest, guys, like I'm still kind of like really overwhelmed by how I'm gonna make this my office and gym, but I'm sure like once we get somebody in here who knows what they're doing, you know, it'll be amazing. So fingers crossed, just gonna stay positive with all that stuff. And then over here, what's over here? So this room, oh, this is the guest bedroom over here. So it's kind of adjacent to our master bath, but we got our guest bedroom. And then over here is another bathroom. And then down here, we actually have a little bit of storage space. That's what this is for, under the stairs. And then this is the second garage, which will stay a garage. Obviously, Jane needs a place to sleep. All my tools need a place to go. So let's go upstairs real quick. This is like the pre-house tour. This is the house tour before the real house tour when the house looks really good. Oh, it is so hot and muggy in here. Why did I wear jeans? This is not good. Okay, so we made it to the top. Over here is like a bonus room where I might actually make this like a family kind of like sit down movie room or like hang out when we have guests. You know, put like a nice big couch in here so everyone can kind of sit down and watch TV. Obviously, we have the living room as well, but you know, maybe sometimes you want to come up here and chill. It happens. And then over here, guys, this is the best part of the whole house. This is my man cave. So I can't wait to get in here, and I can finally make this man cave 100% my own. Erica said I can do whatever I want. I can put anything wherever I want. And the best part is, too, like whenever you're playing games or whatever, and you gotta pee, it sucks to run downstairs to the bathroom. My bathroom's like literally right there, so if I gotta pee mid-game, I can just go across the hall, and I'm done. And now down here, so these two rooms, this room and that room, is gonna be Erica's closet. And I know you might think, oh my God, that's a huge closet. Well, she's let me take over the whole downstairs for my gym, so I can't really complain. And also, too, guys, Erica has her own YouTube channel where she does fashion, so part of this remodel for her being her closet is to also make it space that she can use to film. You know, it's not like just livable space where you just kind of go in and all your stuff fits. Like, even my gym, part of the reason why it has to be so big is because I not only have to fit everything in there, I have to have room to move and film as well. And then some other cool things. We just met with a builder. So, like, see this wall right here? This is going to be covered up, and this is dead space. So, like, we're making notes. So I can open this wall up once we move in, and Erica can have like a little like hidden cubby hole for like stuff maybe she doesn't use as often, maybe some of her winter stuff that she still wants to keep when we go back home. But this wall is gonna come out, and then over here is gonna be her closet as well. There's another bathroom over here, and then this room, this is Crystal's room. So Crystal's room is here. She has this whole area to herself. She has her own bathroom. And she has her own closet as well. I'm sure she'll be sharing Erica's closet too, because, you know, girls share stuff. But she has her own closet right here, which, I mean, realistically, if Erica was nice, she would make maybe a little opening over here, and then Crystal can go into Erica's closet and have some storage space. But, I mean, that's a decision they'll have to make. And that is my house, guys. I mean, we're both really, really excited. I mean, if it wasn't for the support of you guys watching my videos, subscribing to my website, and taking a general interest in what we do, none of this would be possible. So I promise you, not only will I keep making videos, and not only will I keep, you know, working my butt off, as soon as I get in this house and I have my gym in my house, you're going to see a lot more content coming your way, a lot more live streams coming your way, a lot more home style workouts coming your way. Like, I'm going to be able to do so much more stuff in less time. It's going to be absolutely insane. And I'm really, really excited about that. You guys know me. I'm a workaholic, you know. And right now, not being able to work, not being able to go to my own studio, because obviously it's back in Boston, it's killing me. It gets really killing me. Like, it's terrible. I don't know what to say. Like, I hate it. I hate not being able to work. But guys, here, not only will we be able to get work done, but I just feel like my overall life is going to be much happier, and I'm really excited about that. So guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support. It really means so much to me. And I do want to say I am finally set up for live streaming again, so I should be able to live stream this weekend. We're going to keep going with our show, The Vitality Mentality. To make a long story short, I had to run an Ethernet cord from like an adjacent apartment building to my apartment building just so I could have fast internet connection. Like, yeah, anyways. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'm so excited for the new house. Erica and I are so excited, and we'll definitely keep you updated. Hope you all have a great week. Make sure you hit those goals, make those gains, and as always, more good stuff coming soon. See you guys.